Garmin watches restart for several reasons, primarily due to software glitches, power management issues, or less commonly, hardware faults. Software bugs in the operating system or third-party apps can cause memory leaks or conflicts, leading to crashes and reboots. Low battery voltage, faulty charging cycles, or a degraded lithium-ion battery can also trigger restarts to conserve power. In rare cases, physical issues like corrupted memory chips or sensor malfunctions can force reboots. This segment will focus on diagnosing the root cause of your Garmin's restarting problem. The first step to fixing a constantly restarting Garmin is to ensure your firmware is up to date. Garmin's IQ version 4.8 release in late 2025 significantly reduced restarting issues in the Phoenix, Epix, and Forerunner series. Update your watch via the Garmin Connect app. Next, manage your installed apps. Too many apps or poorly coded ones can cause conflicts. Try uninstalling recently added or less essential apps to see if the problem resolves. Often, software is the culprit. Power management plays a crucial role in preventing unexpected restarts on your Garmin watch. Let's explore some essential tips for maintaining optimal battery health. First, avoid letting your battery drain completely. Garmin watches are designed to shut down before reaching zero to protect the battery, but frequent deep discharges can cause instability and restarts. Second, always use the correct charger and charging port recommended by Garmin. Using incompatible chargers can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger restarts and potentially damage the battery over time. Third, remember that lithium-ion batteries naturally degrade over time, typically after 2 to 3 years of use. This degradation can lead to more frequent restarts as the battery's capacity and voltage stability diminish. Finally, if restart issues persist and you suspect battery problems, consider professional battery replacement. Garmin authorized service centers can assess and replace the battery, restoring reliable performance to your watch. By following these power management tips, you can significantly reduce restart issues and extend the life of your Garmin watch battery. If software glitches persist after trying other solutions, a soft reset can often resolve the issue. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the watch restarts. This gives the device a fresh start without losing your data. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, you may need a factory reset. This more thorough option erases all data and settings, returning the watch to its original factory state. Be sure to back up any important data first using Garmin Connect. A factory reset can resolve deeply embedded software conflicts that simple restarts cannot fix. If software solutions fail, the restarting may stem from a hardware fault. Examine the watch for physical damage such as cracks or water exposure. Contact Garmin support if your watch is still under warranty, which is typically 1 to 2 years for most models. Describe the issue clearly and provide relevant details, such as when the restarts began and under what conditions. The Garmin support team should be able to assist with repairs as needed. Let's look at some real-world examples. Forerunner 945 users reported restarts during long runs due to GPS app conflicts, resolved by firmware update 10.5. A batch of Phoenix 7X Sapphire models had restarts linked to solar charging, requiring a recall and repairs. Also, some Epix 2 users resolved restart issues by performing a full reset and uninstalling unnecessary apps. These cases highlight that a mix of software and hardware can be the problem. The future of Garmin watches includes AI-driven diagnostics that will predict and prevent restarts before they occur. The 2025 Epix Pro 3 model incorporates machine learning to analyze usage patterns and identify potential issues early. Future over-the-air updates will be more robust, automatically applying fixes without requiring user intervention. Advancements in battery technology, such as solid-state batteries, will minimize power-related restarts by providing more stable energy. Wearables are trending towards self-healing software that can automatically repair software issues and prevent crashes. These new technologies may significantly reduce the amount of restarts, potentially cutting incidents by 50% or more. Experts from CNET and PCMag emphasize that 90% of Garmin restart issues stem from software, not hardware. This statistic highlights the importance of keeping your watch's software current. Garmin CEO Clifton Pembleton stated in a 2025 interview that their updates are designed to preempt errors, making watches more reliable. This proactive approach has shown significant results. Garmin Connect user statistics show a 40% decrease in restart reports from 2024 to 2025, attributed to proactive firmware patches. This data demonstrates the effectiveness of regular software updates. Remember to check for updates and optimize app usage to maintain a stable and reliable Garmin experience.